Back Diamonds, this is your girl Eva Tarae. To our newbies, thank you so much for joining us and welcome to the Diamond Fam. Let's take a moment to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give your girl a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I drop a video. Today, once again, the weather has been so crappy. I wanted to play with bright colors, so I chose the bright reddy orange look. Go ahead in the comment section, tell me what your favorite color is, since I'm getting kind of bored of what I've been doing lately, and I'll go ahead and create a look using that color. I won't keep you guys in suspense any longer, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. I've already went in with my Morphe 352 palette. I grabbed a Blaze on my SS224 brush by Sigma and to place that in my crease and above using a windshield wiper motion. I then grabbed my 35B palette and placed that bright orange to blend the orange that I already placed. Then going back to that 3502 palette, I placed Heat in and slightly above my crease, making sure to blend that very well so that there's no harsh lines. So I went right back to my 3502 palette and I grabbed that reddy orange. It is called Fire, and I placed that all over my lid. And I am using my Real Techniques Instapop shade brush. I wanted my lids to really pop, so I went back into that 3502 palette and I grabbed the color next to Fire, which is Ruby. It's a reddy orange with some shimmer in it. So I did go ahead and wet my brush with my Mario Badescu spray just to make the color as intense as possible. Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I'm going in with that brick red to blend in my crease using my MAC 226 blending brush. I like it because it's the one with the pointed tip. Helps me get right where I need it to be. I had quite a bit of fallout, so I grabbed a baby white so I could get up the excess shadow so I can prepare myself for the foundation. My beautiful granddaughter wanted to say hello, so she got to hop up and have her debut on camera. Look at that cutie. Off camera, I applied my lashes, my primer, my foundation, my contour. And now I am applying my highlight. I will go ahead and link everything that I used down in the description box below. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware when I drop another video. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and leave your comments below. And here's the finished look, diamonds. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.
So tired.